How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center. We're mortgage brokers. We work with multiple banks and lenders just to get them to compete for you to get the best deal when you're getting a mortgage. And mortgage rate, this is a weekly mortgage update, by the way, to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So mortgage rates are around, 5-year fixed rates are in around 2.69 to 2.89%, and variable rates are around 2.3 to 2.4%, although both those rates could be a bit higher or lower just depending on the situation. I also just wanted to mention there is one thing of interest to some people will be what they call a principal residence exemption with regards to capital gains tax. So generally, let's just say as an example, somebody bought a house in 2013 and they want to sell it in 2017. So let's just say they bought it for $300,000 in 2013 and they want to sell it in 2017 for say $600,000. So the gain is a $300,000 difference because they bought for $300,000, they're going to sell for $600,000. The difference is $300,000. Generally, what would happen is if that was a rental property for all of the years that you owned it, the gain would be $300,000. So 50% of the gain is $150,000. And the $150,000 would have to be added to your income for the coming year, and then you'd have to pay income tax on that income, and that's the 50% capital gain tax. Now let's just say when you bought the house in 2013, maybe you lived in it for 3 years, and let's say you then rented it out for 2 years. So what they would do is they take the $150,000 as the 50% of the gain. They take that $150,000 and they divide it over 5 years, and they say, okay, well, $150,000 over 5 years is about $30,000 a year. So then they would say, well, it was owner-occupied for the first 3 years, so you don't pay capital gains tax on the first 3 years. But you do pay capital gains tax on the last 2 years. So you'd pay capital gains on the fourth and the fifth year in my example. So if it's $150,000 over 5 years is $30,000 a year, $30,000 a year for the last 2 years is just $60,000. So $60,000 would be added to your income instead of the full amount of $150,000 being added to your income because of the principal residence exemption with regards to capital gains. So if you have any questions on that, just give us a call. Phone number at the office here again is 905-436-8010. Thanks and have a great day.